people on the earth, but there is only one person who can make a huge impact on your life. For many, this may be your mom, dad, or even teachers. Throughout my whole life, family members have been loved and hated. There is one special family member who has made a huge impact on my life. People around the world would have loved to meet this person. My dad, John Charette, is who I want to attribute this speech to. My dad, John Charette, was always caring, encouraging, and fun to be with, even if he had a bad day. My dad, John, is always caring. He cares about everyone around him. He will do anything to help the people he loves. He always took me and my siblings to the hospital if he knew we had a broken bone or even to get my sister help. He will always be there if we need to go to the doctors. My dad has shown up for all my performances, whether it was swim, dance, or even my orchestra concerts. He's always there to show me he cares. He is also willing to talk to me even if it's in the middle of the night. I know that I can always go to him when I need help or to just talk when I'm feeling down. I can always depend on my dad no matter what it is. Whether it's a ride to school or even a ride to a friend's house, he is willing to take me wherever I need to go. My dad will always be there for me no matter what. My dad encourages everyone. His motto is, when all things fail, try again later. He always cheers me on. At my concert, he tells me before I go on that everything will be okay. He even sometimes gives me a thumbs up when I look at him in the audience. He always told me when all things fail, never give up or lose faith in myself. He always encouraged me to never lose faith. My dad has told me hundreds of times to try again. No matter how frustrated and angry I am at what I'm doing, I always listen to him. My dad, John, tells me if I get mad at what I'm doing, stop and do something else. Then later go back to it when I'm calm and not annoyed. Like the time I was doing my science homework and I got mad and frustrated reading the long section. He told me to leave it to the side and work on it after I get the rest of my homework done. My dad is fun to be with, even when he is not feeling well or had a broken bone. He cracks a joke when things aren't going well. Like the time I was reading the book, Fahrenheit 451, and my book was already broken. He saw I was getting frustrated and asked me if I had torn the book apart. I said no, and we cracked up. Whenever we go hunting or fishing, or even on a long drive, he makes it as fun as possible. He puts the radio on whatever station I want to listen to, and we sing our hearts out. He's always around when I'm bored and want to play cards or go to the arcade. He will do anything to have fun with me and my siblings. I hope you see how my dad was caring, encouraging, and fun to be with. The impact my dad made on my life and others he knew was very big on each and every one of us. My dad, John, has always been there for people and made huge impacts on their lives. He will always make people's days or even make an impact on their lives. My dad has always made my day and will always be there for me.